oxygen come from? Oh, thank you. Thank you, tree. Think about this plant. They does so much for us. And thanks to this plant, we actually get oxygen and get food from that. And we never say thank you to them. So I should say, thank you, plant. Okay, so let's talk about what happens in there. Ever wonder what most of the food you eat every day comes from? Well, about 60% of the food that you eat is carbohydrate. As you can probably tell, carbohydrates contain carbs, hydrogens, and oxygen. But where do these atoms originally come from? And how do they join together to make delicious food? You actually start with the air that you are exhaling, carbon dioxide molecules. Plants are going to breathe in these molecules through pores called extomata. Plants drink the water from the root to get the needed oxygen and hydrogen atoms and electrons in order to build carbohydrate. What's that thing? Well, that's a special plant organelle called the chloroplast. It is green because it's a special pigment called chlorophyll. We're talking about a process called photosynthesis. That original molecule of water. The plant has to spread this molecule of water, but the plant can't pull the molecule by itself. It needs help from the high power rays of the sun. So now the chloroplast has all the building blocks, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons. You can use that to go through the rest of a step of photosynthesis to transfer the original carbon dioxide gas into a simple carbohydrate called glucose. The plant could also turn that glucose into starch. We love this starch from the plant, such as potatoes, corn, and rice. So you see, when we eat, plants will actually benefit from photosynthesis. Plants make things like starch we eat and break back down. Glucose, the first form the plant made. Plants and humans are connected. The air we breathe out is used by plants to make the carbohydrate we enjoy so much. And in the process, they are releasing very important oxygen molecules we need to breathe in order for our mitochondria so it can break down delicious carbohydrate meal. So all you need just the sunlight, the carbon dioxide, and the water? That's all you need? Really? That's all they need? Remember, through photosynthesis, plants do all that for us. From the air we breathe and the food we eat.